The performance shown does consider overlapping trades. So trade for trade, you would double these numbers. But if you consider the amount of capital you have set aside for running 2 trades at once, then we cut those in half. If you just go to the yearly average, for the most part, the M3.4u outperforms our classic M3. That doesn't happen every year. If we get years that are specifically really tuned to the strengths of the M3C, like 2017, M3C did fantastic. It was probably the best year we've ever had. The M3.4u was only running about 16.2 because that year actually pushed against the weakness of the strategy. You get into years like 2011, though, we're doubling the performance. 2012, we're almost tripling the performance. We're similar in 2013, a little bit better in 14, a little bit worse in 15. 16, we did significantly better. We did significantly worse in 17, and in 18, we just did a little bit better here. And of course, the V32, this is what we ran for V32, which is a higher yielding strategy, but you can see a market like 2018 is particularly tough on it, okay?